In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a container box to your Wix website step by step. This process is straightforward and incredibly useful for organizing your website's layout or creating visually appealing elements. So let's dive right in and start by navigating to the Wix website editor. Once you've logged into your Wix account, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From here, you want to access the website editor where all the magic happens. This is where you can make changes in real time and see how your website will look to your visitors. If you're not sure where to find the editor, you can easily access it through your site's dashboard. Simply look for the Edit Site button, and it will take you right there. Now that you're in the Wix editor, move your cursor over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where the main toolbar is located, providing all the elements and options you need to enhance your website. Look for the Add button. It's usually represented by a plus sign or the word Add. Click on this button and a menu of elements will appear. This menu includes everything you can add to your site, like text, images, and of course, boxes. Next, we are specifically looking for box. Once you click on box, a subset of options will appear, including various types of boxes you can choose from. What we're interested in here is the container boxes section. These container boxes are particularly handy because they allow you to group different elements together, keeping your design neat and organized. It's a fantastic feature for creating structured layouts. After clicking on container boxes, you'll see a selection of predefined styles. From here, you can choose any container box that fits the design theme and functionality you're going for. Simply click on a container box to add it to your page. Don't worry too much about the design at this point because you can always change it later. With the container added to your page, the next step is to customize its design to fit your site's aesthetic. Click on Change Design to open the customization panel. Here, you can adjust various aspects like border styles, backgrounds, and colors, ensuring the container complements your overall website design. Finally, if you'd like to add animations or effects to your container box to make it more visually engaging, click on Animations and Effects. Here, you can select from a variety of animations to give your container that extra flair when users navigate through your website, and there you have it. You've successfully added a container box to your Wix website. Don't forget to preview your site to see how everything looks before publishing. This way you can make any necessary adjustments to ensure a smooth and appealing visual experience for your visitors. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.